Hello and welcome to our video on the top 5 best car air purifiers of 2023. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in your car, then you know how important it is to have clean and fresh air to breathe. A car air purifier can help remove pollutants, allergens, and other harmful particles from the air, making your driving experience more comfortable and healthy. We've researched and tested the latest car air purifiers on the market to bring you the most efficient and effective options available. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you through our top picks for the best car air purifiers of 2023. Let's dive into the video. Number 5. Pure Enrichment Pure Zone Mini Portable Air Purifier. Pure Enrichment manufactures one of the best standalone mini portable air purifiers that can be used in small personal spaces and offices. But because of its compact design, it's even fitting for use in the car. It features two-stage HEPA filtering, which includes an activated carbon pre-filter that helps to deodorize and trap harmful gases. Then, the second HEPA filtering takes care of all of the particulate and microbial matter. Thanks to its integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it can provide filtration on the go for up to 12 hours without being plugged in and is capable of filtering up to 54 square feet of space. Number 4. Pure Premium Air Ionizer and Deodorizer. If you're looking for one of the best low-profile car ionizers, then Pure Cigarette Lighter-Powered Air Purifier and Deodorizer is one of the best. Unlike some of the other units, its compact and low profile means it just needs to be plugged into a car's cigarette lighter. From there, it can remove all sorts of odors from the interior of a vehicle. Though because it lacks a HEPA filter like some of the other larger units, it doesn't necessarily filter particulates and microbes. Rather, this small unit is more ideal for managing and controlling odors by producing very small amounts of deodorizing ozone. And to avoid taking up precious charging capabilities, it also comes with two USB 3.0 quick charge ports. Number 3. Airdog V5 Car Air Purifier. Airdog's V5 Car Air Purifier performs to similar standards of the Phillips and IQAir, but it differentiates itself with a unique and patented TPA active filtration unit that captures up to 99.9% of microbes and particles as small as 0.0146 microns. But not only does it capture them, the Airdog V5 also eliminates those contaminants. It also cleans out harmful odorous chemicals. Best of all, the filter is washable and reusable, so there's no need to spend extra money down the line to replace the filter. Number 2. IQAir Atem. If you're looking for the Mercedes-Benz of car air purifiers, then the IQAir Atem should be at the top of your list. Don't let its simplistic design fool you, as this purifier can filter particles out of the air as small as 0.003 microns, which is smaller than most bacteria microbes. Its hyper-HEPA filtration is like Phillips' HESA layered HEPA filter in that it can also deodorize and remove harmful gaseous compounds with the need of ionizing the air with ozone. And it can do it all with a clean air delivery rate of up to 39 cubic feet per minute, making it ideal for larger vehicles or more instantaneous filtration. The icing on the cake, users can connect to the unit via Bluetooth, allowing for wireless control of the fan speed and monitoring for filter life, interior temperature and humidity. Phillips GoPure. Phillips Electronics GoPure Portable Air Purifier is specifically designed and engineered for car interiors. Its traditional HEPA filter incorporates a HESA layer, which can remove harmful gaseous chemicals such as exhaust gas and other dangerous odors. The filter itself is also replaceable, and users with sensitive allergies can even upgrade to the Allergy Filter Plus insert. It comes in two shapes: a traditional box unit, model GP5212, that's powered by a car's 12-volt cigarette lighter, and a smaller, USB-powered cylindrical unit, model GP5611, that also includes deodorizing UVC light purification. Both are capable of purifying both standard cars and SUVs with a clean air delivery rate of 9.4 cubic feet per minute, capturing up to 99% of particles as small as 0.004 micrometers. We hope that we were able to provide you with valuable information on the best products available on the market to help keep the air in your car clean and healthy. Remember, air pollution can have negative effects on your health, and it's important to invest in a good air purifier to keep your car's air fresh and breathable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for your support and we'll see you in the next video. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.